Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Snapchat support code SS03. Alright, so let's begin with the video. If you're seeing the SS03 error, it usually means Snapchat temporarily disabled your access due to repeated login attempts, VPN usage, or other suspicious activity. There are a few things you can do to fix it. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone or Android. Scroll down and tap General, then go all the way down to VPN and Device Management. If you're connected to a VPN, turn it off. Using a VPN can make it look like you're logging in from another country, which often triggers this error. Next, go back to the beginning of Settings, then again go to General and tap iPhone Storage. Scroll down and find Snapchat. Once here, tap Offload App and wait for it. Then tap on Reinstall. This clears cached data and forces the app to refresh. On Android, do the same by clearing the cache and storage for Snapchat. After reinstalling, swipe down from the top of your screen and turn Wi-Fi off so your phone connects using mobile data. This helps Snapchat recognize your normal location and connection. Once you've done all this, open Snapchat and try logging in again. If it still doesn't work, the SS03 error may just be a temporary ban, and you'll need to wait until Snapchat automatically lifts it. And that's it. So that is how you can fix Snapchat support code SS03. So that's all for this video. Thanks.